Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download the Forza Street game. This is going to be for your tablet, iPhone, Android, whatever mobile device you have. It's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, go onto your app store, well that's the app store on the iPhone, Google Play Store for your Android, whatever it is, click on your app store version on your phone. Then go to search on the iPhone, that's bottom right, it's going to go to the search menu. Then you're going to want to type in Forza Street. So once you type in, that might auto-complete, you can click on that. Click search and then you'll see one of the first ones that come up will be Forza Street. That's the logo there. You're going to want to click get next to that or whatever it says on your mobile device. When it comes up there, then it might come up with install. You're going to want to click on that. And then once that's done, it's going to be downloading in the background. And once that download's finished, that circus went all the way around, you can click open on this page, or you can go to your apps page and then scroll along to that, and then once it's fully downloaded, the circles went all the way around, you can click on it and then log in and play the game like that. So there is also a link in the description below to the download links for Google Play Store and Apple App Store if you have any problems with this, so you can click on that. But leave a like on the video if this video did help you out, subscribe for more videos like this, click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Forza Street app. But that's it for now, I'll see you on the next video.